Here we have a question that says use one-on-one logarithmic property to solve. The question says log x plus 3 minus log x is equal to log 74. So first of all, we will write the one-on-one property of logarithm. One-on-one property says log ax is equal to log a y, where x should be equal to y and x, y and a are positive. So basic property of logarithm that we're gonna use is log a plus log b is equal to log ab. That is another property. So we'll calculate the given problem. We have log x plus 3 minus log x is equal to log 74. We'll start putting 1 on one property that says that gives us x plus 3 divided by x into log 74. Then we have x plus 3 divided by x is equal to 74. Then we have x plus 3 is equal to 74x, and 74 x is equal to x plus 3. 74x minus x is equal to 3. 73x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 73, right? That is our solution for the given expression.